Hey guys, it's the Cube Factor here. So, I have a Rubik's cube, and I don't want to solve it. So I have a pattern on it that I don't know how to do, and I did not do. There's a robot over here that knows how to. First, let me go into the program. Oh, get started. It does work with the GAN, but it worked more reliably with Rubik's brand. Yes, so I have to put the torque and the play of the gears. Yeah, this is all Lego branded. Lego. So whenever people see Lego, this is Lego Technic and Lego Mindstorms. Yeah, so I have this pattern. It does patterns. What I'm gonna do right now is just make it solve. So put it in, and that infrared sensor detects that the cube is there. Then this rotates. And turns the cube while the scanner scans it. Okay, let's put it in. And it'll solve. That's also a little timer there to time it. Yeah, so it flips over the cube.